Okay, my peeps, let's make some cute fake bake reindeer brownies. So you're gonna get a piece of foam and you're gonna cut it. I cut it in triangles. I mean, you can do it in square too if you want. So I got some lightweight spackle and I use a dark brown color to make the frosting that's gonna go on top of my brownie. I use a mold to make these pretzels. I just use brown foam clay to make the pretzels. And then I got, because I wanted to look realistic, so I got the fake eyes and an M&M to put on there for the eyes and the nose. I got that from Play Code 3. I have a discount code that you can use if you want to get you some. So I just spread the lightweight spackle on top of my brownie, just like you would spread it on a real brownie. You can put it on as thick as you want or as thin as you want. That's totally up to you. And if you don't like this color frosting I'm using, you can make yours darker or whatever you want. But I just wanted it to be a little lighter than the brownie part. So you can just move that out pretty easily. Like I said, put as much as you want. So now it comes to the decorating part. I seen these on Pinterest, like real ones. So I was like, you know what? I think I want to fake bake those for my Christmas tier tray. So I put glue on it and then I put it down on the spackle, because sometimes when you put clay on spackle and later on it dries, it like pops off. So I like to put a little bit of glue on there so it could stick to the spackle as it dries, and there's a better possibility of it not coming off. So that's why I'm gluing everything down as I put it on the spackle. You don't have to do that, but that's like an added security measure. So I just put the eyes down, and then I'm gonna put a fake M&M for the red nose, and that's gonna be it. That's gonna be our brownie. I think it came out so cute. I'm just cleaning up the edges and just put it somewhere where it might be a missing piece. But look, isn't that brownie cute? Of course, I had to make more than one, but look how cute. I love it. These are so easy. You can make you some, and the kids can help you make them. So go on and make you some, because look how cute they look with my other fake treats, my treat cakes and all that good stuff. See that? My gingerbread cookies back there, my elf spaghetti, my snowman and reindeer cookies, and Christmas calories don't count, especially these because they're fake. Talk to you soon. Bye.